How to remove phone number from your Facebook account, 2026. Want to remove your phone number from your Facebook account? In this video, I'll show you the latest step-by-step method to remove your number, and what to do if Facebook won't let you delete it. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're signed in to your account. Step 2. Open the menu. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Open Settings. Scroll down, tap Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Step 4. Open Accounts Center. At the top of the Settings page, tap Accounts Center. This is where your Meta account information is managed. Step 5. Open Personal Details. Tap Personal Details to view your account information. Step 6. Open Contact Info. Next, tap Contact Info. Here you'll see the email addresses and phone numbers linked to your account. Step 7. Select your phone number. Tap the phone number you want to remove. Step 8. Remove the number. Tap Delete or Remove Number. Step 9. Enter your password. Enter your Facebook password if prompted, then tap Continue. Step 10. Confirm removal. Tap Confirm to permanently remove the phone number from your Facebook account. What if Facebook won't let you remove the number? If you can't remove your phone number, here are 2 things to check. Option 1. Add an email address. Make sure your Facebook account has a verified email address. If you don't have one, add and verify an email first, then try removing the phone number again. Option 2. Check two-factor authentication. If your phone number is being used for two-factor authentication, 2FA, Facebook won't let you remove it. Follow for more tech tips.